Uh, we now move on to the Sabha Karyakrama. I request all our esteemed guests to kindly come on to the dais and take your seats. I request the President of Academy of Music, Sri Subbarajaras, also to kindly accompany the guests to the dais. We have senior ex-president of Academy of Music, Dr. Veeresh, also here. I request him also to kindly come on to the dais, sir. We have senior critic, Sri Mysore V. Subramanya, sir. Very honored to have him here. Please do come to the dais, sir. I request our chief guest, Dr. Sunil Kothari ji, to kindly felicitate the artists of Samanvay Dance Company. I request the dancers to kindly come on to the dais. Shri Sujay Shanbag. Shri Abhilash. Kumari Vaishnavi. Kumari Rakshita. And Kumari Gauri. I know that the stalwarts on this dais are so well known that they definitely do not need an introduction, but I would still like to say a few words to introduce them to the Sabha. Padma Shri awardee Dr. Sunil Kothari, a very well-known art historian, critic, scholar, a passionate artist himself. He travels all over the globe witnessing various forms of dance and writing about it, bringing out several books about Indian dance forms and introducing the world to Indian culture. We are so honored to have you with us, sir. Another stalwart, Dr. Sarvamangala Shankar, born in a music family, has dedicated her entire life in the service of music. She received her doctorate in musical study of Swaravachanas. She has been bestowed with several titles such as Gana Ganga, Gana Saraswati, Kadali Shri Parvati Award, Karnataka Kalashri Award, Ramana Shri Sharana Award, Sangeeta Parampara Nidhi, and so on. To crown this, Dr. Sarvamangala Shankar has been appointed by the government of Karnataka as the Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State, Dr. Gangubai Hangal Music and Performing Arts University, Mysore. We are truly honored by your presence, ma'am. Another very well-known personality in the field of art and culture is Dr. Radha Krishna Raju, who is the president of the Telugu Vijnana Samiti. He has been such a great support and a propagator of art and culture in Bangalore that he's truly very well known to all the artists and the art lovers. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. Another very, very popular face to the artists and the art lovers of Bangalore is Shri Mantap Prabhakar Upadhyaya, known as Mantap very lovingly. His unique portraiture of Stri Vesha, such as Ambe, Mohini, Chitrakshi, Menake, Vijayashri, Putani, became legends and he became a household name in the lore of Yakshagana. He received his training in Yakshagana at the Yakshagana Kendra of Udupi, and he has been a very active member of several Yakshagana troupes for years. In his second innings, he started with the concept of Eka Vyakti Yakshagana, which is a unique and wonderful concept conceived and designed by Dr. Shatabdani Ganesh. In his performance, he adapts several movements, Nritta Hastas and Charis, from the Natya Shastra, which is actually a not very evident part of Kuchipudi. He has also been bestowed by several awards. In fact, I would like to just add over here that few years back, he presented his Yekavyakti, his Trivesha, in the small village of Kuchipudi, which is filled with dancers and legends in the field of Kuchipudi dance forms. Once they saw his performance, they requested him to stay back an extra day. And the next day, they did Kanaka Pushpabhisheka to him with so much of love that I still get goosebumps thinking about it. We are truly honored, sir, by your presence. And now we move on to the important part of the Samanvay Puraskara being bestowed to Kala Ratna Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana today. I request Shri Satyanarayana Garu to please take a seat. I request all our guests to kindly felicitate him on behalf of Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan. Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan has carried on this practice of felicitating a legend in the field of dance and literature for so many years now. The very important part of this Puraskara is the gifting of the Swarna Kankana, the golden bracelet, to the legendary artist. I request all our guests to kindly do the honors. As they do the honors, I'd like to read out the citation being presented to him. Shri K.V. Satyanarayana is a Kuchipudi luminary beyond compare, emanating a radiance that shines across the globe. Hailing from the traditional family in Eluru, a village near Kuchipudi village, he is the shining star, a torchbearer of Kuchipudi for the generation next of Kuchipudi artists from Andhra Pradesh. KVS, as he is popularly known, is an artist par excellence in rendering male characters of Kuchipudi Yakshagana. Apart from this, he is an artist, choreographer, and also dance director for films. He is well known for his vibrant character roles in Kuchipudi Yakshagana and an ace choreographer of ballets like Amukta Malyada, the story of Sri Krishna Devaraya, the king of Vijayanagara, Panchakavya, 5 entrancing stories of important kavyas, Kala Rachana, the story about time, Kala Rachana, the story about time, Panchakanya, captivating short stories about 5 heroic women, Draupadi, Sita, Mandodari, Tara and Ahalya, Nrityakshari, about how the Indian alphabets were created by Lord Shiva, Chinna Devi, story about dancer and wife of Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya, Shri Krishna Karnamrutam, Mahishasura Mardini, Mohini Bhasmasura, Buddham Sharanam Gachami, Alamelu Manga Vaibhavam, Ramakatha, and so on. Shri K.V. Satyanarayana has been acknowledged for his scintillating performances illuminating the world of classical Kuchipudi across the globe. He has been adorned with several awards for his dance direction for super hit films like Swarna Kamalam. He has been honored the prestigious titles and awards, a few being the state awards, Andhra Pradesh State Kala Ratna Hamsa Award in 2009, Pratibha Puraskaram 2013 by Potti Sri Ramulu Telugu University, Hyderabad, Vesishta Shava Puraskaram by AP State Government in 2008, and several more for his unparalleled talent and performances. He has been honored by the Film Land too with film awards such as Nandi Award for Best Choreography for his choreography for the film Shruti Layalu, Bharata Muni Award for Best Choreography for the film Shruti Layalu in 1988. Supremely talented, utterly devoted to his art, the dance form of Kuchipudi, Shri K.V. Satyanarayana, with a desire to impart his knowledge to aspiring future artists, established a premier institute of dance, the Shri Satya Kuchipudi and Janapada Nritya Academy, which offers the best training in the disciplines of classical and folk dance. A shining star in the glittering galaxy of classical dance, he is unequaled in imparting his immense talent to a stream of disciples who consider themselves fortunate to be under his tutelage. Divinely gifted, infinitely talented, and immeasurably admired for his vast following of devoted disciples, his name and fame have not only been confined to India, he is proud of his immense following and innumerable disciples all over the world. He has been visiting and touring the United States in 1987, captivating audiences and with his performances and coaching many eager disciples in classical dance in many centers across the United States. As an organizer par excellence, Shri K.V. Satyanarayana holds well-deserved leadership positions in several prestigious cultural organizations and academies. He holds the premier designation of Director of Sri Satya Kuchipudi Dance Academy, USA, and Vice President of Sahitya Mandali. He is the General Secretary of YHMA. He is also the Honorable President of Sri Ramalayam and Sri Gauri Devi Devasthanam and Program Committee member of South Zone Cultural Center, Tanjavur, and member to West Godavari Cultural Council and several more. His overwhelming desire to promote Kuchipudi in all its classical glory as one of the most brilliant dance forms in India has made him establish the KVS Excellence Award since 2007. The KVS Award is dedicated to classical dance and literature to recognize and felicitate eminent gurus. Shri Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan is proud to present Samanvay Puraskara Award to Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana. I request Shri Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana to kindly say a few words to the Sabha.
Sabhak Namaskaram. I'm really so happy to receive this prestigious award. First, I would like to say thanks to Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan, mainly Mrs. Veena Murthy. Today, I really am so happy because my uncle and my guru, Bharata Kala Prapurna Sri Kora Narasimharao Garu, established this Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan, one of the best and best student, Veena Murthy, receiving the award from this institution, it's like a proud to me. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. కళాకారుడిగా చాలా దేశాల్లో ప్రదర్శనలు ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. కానీ ఈ రోజున మా గురుగారు కోరా నరసింహారావు గారు, వారికి అత్యంత ప్రీతిపాత్రమైనటువంటి శిష్యురాలు, మరి బెంగళూరులో నవసంధి అన్నటువంటి ఆలయ సాంప్రదాయ నృత్యాన్ని ఎంతో అద్భుతంగా ప్రదర్శించి, ఇది నేను చెప్పేది ఒక 40 years వెనక అనుకుంటున్నాను, ఇదంతా కూడాను పల్లకిలో ఊరేగి గురువు గారిని ఏనుగు మీద అంబారీ వేసి ఊరేగించి గురువు ముందు వెళ్తుంటే నాట్య కళాకారుని వెనక వెళ్ళి ఆలయంలో నాట్యం చేసే సాంప్రదాయాన్ని ఎప్పుడో రాజుల కాలంలో జరిగింది, మళ్ళీ తర్వాత చేసింది ఒక్క మా వీణామూర్తి అమ్మ. She is like my sister. I came that function, I saw that function. Now, receiving this award in this academy, really feel proud. అదేవిధంగా నేను స్థాపించినటువంటి కేవిఎస్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ అవార్డ్ ఫర్ కూచిపూడి డాన్సర్స్కి ప్రతి ఇయర్ నా పుట్టినరోజు సందర్భంగా ఇస్తాను. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ దానికి వీణామూర్తి అమ్మకి ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. మా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ డిప్యూటీ స్పీకర్ గారు అయినటువంటి మండల్ బుద్ధప్రసాద్ గారి అధ్యక్షతన ఆ కమిటీ నిర్ణయిస్తుంది. దాంట్లో ఆయన, ఏపీ చీఫ్ అడ్వైజర్ అయినటువంటి పరకాల ప్రభాకర్ గారు, పద్మభూషణ్ డాక్టర్ యార్లగడ్డ లక్ష్మీప్రసాద్ గారు, వీరందరూ కూడా సభ్యులుగా ఉండి వీణామూర్తి గారిని ఏలూరులో సత్కారం చేయడం జరిగింది. ఏలూరు వీణామూర్తి గారికి మరి యొక్క జన్మస్థలం లాంటిదని మేము అందరం చెప్పని అనుకుంటాం. ఎందుకంటే గురువు తండ్రి తల్లితో సమానం. ఆయన ఉన్నంతకాలం ఆవిడ ఎంతో భక్తితోటి ఆయన సేవించింది ఆవిడ. మరి అటువంటి కళాకారుని స్థాపించినటువంటి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఇంతమంది ప్రముఖుల మధ్యన, పెద్దలందరి మధ్యన ఈ సన్మానం పొందటం నిజంగా అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నాను. మిత్రులు రాధాకృష్ణరాజు గారు కూడా ఉన్నారు. తెలుగు అకాడమీ ద్వారా చాలాసార్లు ఇక్కడ ప్రదర్శనలు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అలాగే పద్మశ్రీ సునీల్ కొట్టారి గారు కూడా ఉన్నారు. ఇంకా చాలామంది పెద్దవారందరూ కూడా ఉన్నారు. నా ప్రదర్శన చూసిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారు. ఈ వేదిక మీద పంచకావ్య ఇవన్నీ కూడా చాలాసార్లు ప్రదర్శించడం జరిగింది. మీ అందరి యొక్క ఆదరాభిమానాలతోటి ఇంకా మీ ఆశీస్సులతో ఈ కూచిపూడి నాట్య సేవలో తరించాలని చెప్పని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మరి ఒకసారి ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే థ్యాంక్స్ టు శ్రీ రాజరాజేశ్వరి కళా నికేతన్ అండ్ ద మెంబర్స్, మెయిన్లీ వీణామూర్తి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నమస్కారం.
చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు శ్రీ కేవి సత్యనారాయణ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్ అవర్ ఆనర్. అండ్ ఐ నౌ రిక్వెస్ట్ సీనియర్ ఆర్ట్ హిస్టోరియన్ డాక్టర్ సునీల్ కొటారి టు కైండ్లీ సే అ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్.
Namaskar and greetings to all the people on the dais. I was very fortunate when I was very young and was working upon my research work on Kuchipudi to visit Elur. And I stayed with Koran Narsi Rao. And then he explained a lot of things. And I remember also that in Bombay, he had come and performed with Indrani Rahman. And the performance was so magnificent. The performances of his characters were so bewitching and spellbinding that I still have the great memories of etc. When I came to know from Vinaji that she was also a disciple of Korar sir, and that today Satyanarayana sir is also being honored. They are like Guru Bhai and Guru Behan. It's a great pleasure to see such great artists who are carrying on work not within India but also abroad. I had met him with Anand Kuchibhotla Garu when performances were being organized, etc. I had heard a lot about him, etc. And I'm looking forward to the productions or whatever productions he's going to present today, this evening. All these 3 days have been a great joy, Vinaji. I must confess that I had not expected that I'm going to have a feast of performances. And then what I saw today, the performance of the young boys who perform at Khajuraho also, the company, and our, professor sitting next to me, Subramaniam sir, we both were enchanted. And he said, Janasa Mohini, itna sundar hai, itna, it's jan, tamam praja ko itna pasand aata hai. And they danced beautifully. That boy, particularly Avinash, was all the time smiling. And then each one had such tremendous vibrancy. I was told, as Shama said very properly, this vibrancy of Veena Murthy has been transferred to this group. I want to congratulate you for all these things. It is a great joy for me. Right from morning, when she organized all the lecture demonstration and displaying all the subtleties, etc., I want to tell you that it has been a great joy for me and I have learned a lot also. Namaskar.
I now request the President of Telugu Vijnana Samiti, Dr. A. Radhakrishna Raju, to kindly say a few words.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಜೆ ಕಲಾವಿದರ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಅಭಿನಯದಿಂದ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕಾವ್ಯ ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತೆಚ್ಚ ಪೆಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೇ ನಿಮಿಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕಾವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣಲೀಲಾ ತರಂಗ ಭಾಳ ಆನಂದವಾಯಿತು, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ చాలా ಸಂತೋಷమైంది. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ವಹಿಸುವಂಥ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಇದು. ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಅವರು UNI ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಸಂಗೀತ, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಇಡೀ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಹನೀಯರೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸೋದರಿ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಾಗಣ್ಯರು, ಮಹಾವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರು, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಸುಬ್ಬರಾಜ್ ಅರಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಆಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕಲೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಮಹನೀಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ KV ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಚಿರಕಾಲ ಮಿತ್ರರು. ವೆಂಪಟಿ ಚಿನ್ನಸತ್ಯಂ, ನರಸಿಂಹರಾವ್ ಅಂತ ಮಹನೀಯರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಈ ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲಿ. ఇదే మాదిరి మీరు ఇంకా ఎంతోమంది శిష్యులను తయారు చేసి మన ఈ కళా పరంపర సాంస్కృతిక సాంప్రదాయాల్ని దేశాల్లో ప్రతిబింబించే ప్రక్రియలో భగవంతుడు మీకు సదా తోడుగా ఉండాలని మీ అందరికీ ఇంకొకసారి నా హృదయపూర్వకమైన అభినందనలు, నమస్కారాలు తెలుపుతూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను.
I now invite Shri Mantap Prabhakara Upadhyaya to kindly say a few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ KV ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಲಾವಿದನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಗೌರವ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಗೌರವ ಅದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು, ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು. 3 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಜಾತ್ರೆ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಈ ಹಬ್ಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ, ಹಬ್ಬದಿಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹಬ್ಬವು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ಅನುಭವ. ಕಲಾಸ್ವಾದ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಅವರವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಸತ್ಯವಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಬ್ಬ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಿಂದ ಅಂತ್ಯದವರೆಗೂ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಜನ ತುಂಬಿದ್ದರು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೋ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದರು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮಾತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಿರುಪಮ ಅವರ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರೇನೋ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನಾಯಕಿಯ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಯದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಯಿಸಿದರು. ಒಂದು 8 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಕಲಾವಿದರಾದವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹುಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಒಂದು 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಭಿನಯಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆದದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿಕಾ ಲಕ್ಷಣದ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಯವನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹುಡುಗಿಯೋ ಸ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಡೀ ಈ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನುಭವ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವ ಮಾತೇ ಇದು. ಬದುಕಿನ ವೇಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವೇಗದ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಪಡುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇರುವ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡದೆ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಓಡಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ನಿಂತರೆ ಅದು ಓಡೋದು ನಾವು ಓಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಾವು ಮರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಸತ್ಯದ ಅನುಭವ. ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಟಿ ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, 100 ಕೋಟಿ, 1000 ಕೋಟಿ, 10,000 ಕೋಟಿ, ಅವರ ಕರ್ಮಕ್ಕದು. ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವುದು ಸಂತೋಷ, ತೃಪ್ತಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ, ಅನುಭವ. ಅದು ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೂರ್ಖ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆದರು. ಆ ಮಂಟಪನಿಗೇನು ಬೇರೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ 60 ಆಯಿತು, ತಲೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡಿನಿಂದ ಸಿಗುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಲಾವೇದಿಕೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ, ನೃತ್ಯ, ಚಿತ್ರ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನೂ ಕೊಡದೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನಾಯಕಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದರ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಲ್ವಾ. ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತಾದರೆ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಗೆ 1 ಜನ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಲ 10 ಜನ್ಮದ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಹಾಗೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಉತ್ಸವ ಬೇಕು, ಜನ ಸೇರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ಸೇರಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೇರಿದವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದೆ, ತಿಳಿವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಕಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ, ಒಂದು ಪೂಜನೀಯವಾದಂತಹ, ಆರಾಧಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ. ಈ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದವರು ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು. ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದು ಅವರು ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಮ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡಿದವರು ನಾವು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಲಾವಿದ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲಾವಿದನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸವಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಾಗಿ ಉಳಿತದಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವಸ್ಥೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ನನಗಿನ್ನು ಸಾಕು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 100 ಜನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನನ್ಯದ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ಜನ ಈ ಉತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಸೆಯಿಂದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಟಲ್ಲ, 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೋಟು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮೋದಿಯವರು 1,00,000 ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು, ಹಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಸಿರಿವಂತಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ನೀವು ಆಗ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕುಣಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಕುಣಿಯೋಣ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ. ಆದರೆ ಉತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಂತಹ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕಲಾವಿದರನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಕಲೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತವಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕೆ ವಿ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೊಳಗೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದಂಥ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
I now invite another esteemed guest of this evening, Karnataka Kalashri Dr. Sarvamangala Shankar, to kindly address the audience.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನು ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹನೀಯರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ರಾಮಾಯಣದಂತಹ ವಿಸ್ತೃತವಾದ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೇ ನಿಮಿಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಕಗೊಳಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸೂರೆಗೊಂಡರು. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಲೆಯ ಅತಿರಥ ಮಹಾರಥರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮನಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರು, ಕಲಾ ರಸಿಕರು, ಸಹೃದಯರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ತಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ, ಸೃಜಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮನ್ವಯ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ.ವಿ. ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಲೋಪಾಸಕರಾಗಿ ಜೀವನದ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕ್ರಮಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು, ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು, ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟರಾಗಿ, ಉತ್ತಮರಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ.ವಿ. ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಮಂಟ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಶತಶತಮಾನಗಳಿಂದ ಹಿರಿಮೆ ಗರಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕಲೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮುದ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ದೈವಿಕವಾದ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು, ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಪದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂತಹ ಕಲೆಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಸ್ಥಾನ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ. ನೂರಾರು ಬಗೆಯ ಕಲೆಗಳಿರಬಹುದು. ನೃತ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನಾ ಬಗೆಯ ನೃತ್ಯಗಳು, ಸಂಗೀತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಶೈಲಿಗಳು, ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆ, ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆ, ನಾಟಕ, ಹೀಗೆ ವಿಸ್ತೃತವಾದ ಈ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಹಿರಿಮೆ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅದರ ಹಿರಿಮೆ ಏನೆಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಛಾಪು ಮೂಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನಾದರೂ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಲಾವಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೌರವ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಇದು ಈ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ನೆಲೆನಾಡು, ಕಲೆಗಳ ಆಗರ ತಾಣ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತಹ ತಾಣದ ಒಂದು ಬಿಂದು ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ. ಈ ಕಲಾಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ವಿಸ್ತೃತವಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬ್ರಿಸ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಲಯಗಳು, ತಾಳಗಳು, ಸಂಗೀತಗಳು, ಅಭಿನಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಾಬೀತು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಕಳೆದ ಅನೇಕ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ, ದಶಕಗಳಿಂದಲೇ ಇಂತಹ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿರಿಯರನ್ನ ಕರೆಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುವಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ. ಇದರಿಂದ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೈಂಕರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆ ರಸವನ್ನು ಹೀರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆ ರಸ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತು ಕಸ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತು ಉದ್ದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಂಜಸ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು 3 ದಿನದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಕಲಾನಿಕೇತನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅವರುಗಳು ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂತಹ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಲಿ. ಕಲಾ ರಸಿಕರಿಗೆ, ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವದ ಮೂಲಕ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸಾಬೀತು ಮಾಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
All our esteemed chief guests have spoken so meaningfully and appropriately for the event. Though I was very tempted to say something after everybody's speech, I just held on because I think we should just allow them to talk. I now invite a senior critic, musicologist, Shri Mysuru V. Subramanya sir, to kindly say a few words.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂದಿನ ನೃತ್ಯ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾತರದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳಿರುವವರ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರುಜು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ 3 ದಿನಗಳ ನೃತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಬರೀ ರಂಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ರಂಜನೆ ಜೊತೆ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಆ ವಿದ್ವದ್ಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಸಮಾವೇಶಗಳೇನಿದೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಬೇರೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೆಳೀತು. ಬಾನಿಯ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಪರಿಣಾಮ, ಅದು ವರ್ತಮಾನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಗಾಢ ಪ್ರಭಾವ, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಹೊತ್ತು ಇಡಿಸಿದ್ದ ವಿಚಾರ ಸಂಕಿರಣಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಬೋಧಪ್ರದವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಹುತೇಕ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೊಣೆಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನರ್ತಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಪ್ರಾತ್ಯಕ್ಷಿಕೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಮಾತು. ಹೀಗೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಂತೂ ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಬ್ಬ, ನೃತ್ಯದ ಹಬ್ಬ, ನಾಟ್ಯ ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಣಮಿಸಿದೆ. ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಈ 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಉತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ. ವೀಣಾ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರ ಈ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಿಂದ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕಲಾವಿದರುಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಚಿಂತನೆ ರಂಜನೆ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡಲಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಐ ನೌ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀರೇಶ್, former President, Academy of Music, former Vice Chancellor, Agricultural University, to kindly address the audience.
ನನ್ನ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು ಈ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನನಗೇನೂ ತಿಳಿದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿದರೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಪೂರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂದ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋವನಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ವತ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತದು. ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು 10-15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಂಥ ಅವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥವಾಗೋಂಥ ವಿಷಯ. ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯಗಳು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 700 ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯಗಳಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕಲಿಸೋದಿಗೆ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರಂಥವ್ರು ಇರಬೇಕು. ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೇವರ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನೀವು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗಿದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು.
Thank you very much, sir. I now request the President of Academy of Music, Shri Subbaraj Aras sir, to kindly say a few words. Before he says anything, we would like, as dancers, as a community, we would like to thank Aras sir for adding extra lights just for dancers' sakes, to bring down our cost of production, to help us put up a good show. He has added extra lights to the auditorium and also put this dance mat every time we have a dance performance here. Thank you so much, sir, for being so supportive to dancers. I'd request you to say a few words.
So all the dignitaries on the stage and also audience, I would like to request them to come in. One thing we feel sorry about all these arrangements and all. Very few people are coming. I expect at least 800, 900 people. This auditorium is 1,000 seats. At least large people if they come, and all our academy programs are without any tickets. We don't charge. Even the November great musical program and other dance or drama, anything. Everything we are sponsor and we do it. This year we requested Veena Murthy because she has got ample knowledge. We are only administrators. I'm not a musician or anything. I'm only an administrator. So what we feel is the large audience, if they come, that will fill our art so that they can enjoy. Today's Ramayana, as Viresh was telling, Dr. Viresh was telling, it is everybody can understand these things. So it is very easy for them to know our culture, our this thing. And most of the time now, what I see is only aged people, elderly persons are coming. We miss the younger generation. I request all of you to have at least inform your children to come in large number and come. So this, according to this dance festival, we also planned drama festival next month, 11th, 12th and 13th. And one particular show is very important. It is about the life story of Bhimsen Joshi, who is a great artist. His program will be there on 13th. Sunday, we have requested their family members because there was a lot of dispute in their family. I spoke to them. They have all agreed to play that drama. I request most of the people and drama lovers, music lovers and all to come and witness that 13th, particularly next month 13th, Bhimsen Joshi. Bhimana Namaga, that is the drama we have here. And I do not want to waste your time. We are very eager to see the next program. So with this, I conclude this thing. Again, my pranams to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana Garu wishes to honor Shri Subbaraj Aras sir on this occasion. I request you to kindly accept his respect, sir.
మా డ్యాన్స్ కమ్యూనిటీ అందరి తరపున మరి 3 రోజులు ఆడిటోరియాన్ని ఇవ్వటమే కాకుండా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఎంతో అభిమానంతో నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి ఆర్ సుబ్బరాజ్ అర్స్ గారికి హృదయపూర్వకంగా ఈ నాట్య కళాకారుల తరపున వారిని సత్కరించబోతున్నాము. మనస్ఫూర్తిగా మా సత్కారాన్ని అందుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము.
As a token of our gratitude, we'd like to present the chief guests of this evening with our memento. I request Veena ma'am to kindly do the honors. To Padma Shri awardee Dr. Sunil Kothari ji. आप सबसे पहले आते हैं हमेशा, सुनील जी. Thank you so much, sir. President of Telugu Vijnana Samiti, Dr. A. Radhakrishna Raju. ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಟಪ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಇದೇ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಲ್ವ ನೀವು ಮಂಟಪರ? ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಲಾಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಶಂಕರ್, to Senior Critic Shri Mysore V. Subramanya sir, to Shri Dr. Vivesh sir, thank you so much for your blessing, sir. Veena ma'am says she's truly grateful for this opportunity to curate this festival because it is such a amazing experience for her. She'd like to thank Shri Subbaraj Arash sir also for his great support and for hosting this beautiful festival.
ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಮಾತು ಆಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ನನಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಒಂದು ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಡ್ರಾಮಾನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ and try to build ourselves. Of course we blame, but there are stars, there are some beautiful hearted people like our Subbarajar sir who have come forward and taken this initiative to start a dance festival in such a beautiful monumental theatre in Bangalore. It's not at all easy to host a festival. Just not the money. Of course, money is very important. Not only does he provide us the funding, but also the entire staff of Chowdhury Memorial Hall, they are with me. Whether it is Srinivas Murthy, Chetan, Narsimha, Shobha, and Jagdish, the security, Sundar, everybody are with me and with so much of affection and love for the entire festival that they have worked relentlessly all these 3 days. And I'm truly, truly grateful and my heartfelt gratitude for this, sir, for giving us this opportunity. And Mr. Prasanna Kumar, who is the secretary, who is not here today, my heartfelt thanks to him. Along with Subbarajar sir, he supported this. And most importantly, I'm very happy today because our past president, Sri Viresh, has graced the occasion. In spite of his ill health, we missed him from past 2 days and today he has come. Thank you so much for coming and blessing this evening. Sri K.V. Satyanarayana is my Guru Bhai. He has seen me grow, he has seen me leave dance, he has seen me struggle, and he has seen me giving up dancing and again coming back. In every endeavor, he has been with me. And he has given a good platform for all my students in Eluru, year after year in his festival. And it was it was just a show of gratitude or the appreciation that he has done some marvelous work for Kuchipudi in not only in Andhra but across the world. And if you see Shruti Layalu, if you see Swarna Kamalam, the kind of dance that he has today choreographed, it's amazing. It's equal to Shankarabharanam, and all of you must watch that. Such is the greatness. Of course, why I bring films is, at least then you will know what he is, because films are the only culture that we are having nowadays, if I see the dwindling audience this evening. Thank you so much, K.V. Satyanarayana Garu, for accepting this invitation. My very good friend, my dear friend, Dr. Sarvamangala Shankar, she has been my friend for so many years, and she has also rendered her voice for my dance a few times. Such a great scholar. She's come all the way from Mysore amidst her busy schedule. Thank you so much for coming and supporting this festival. Sri Radhakrishna Raju sir, he is a very good friend of my father's, and he has done great service for the Telugu community here in Telugu Vijnana Samiti, and several times we have seen this audience full for KVS Garu's program, and he has organized major mega events here. Thank you so much, sir, for coming and making this a grand success. Mantap sir is, I don't even call him sir, he's such a dear friend to me. And the minute I said, you have to come, because an artist only can honor another artist, because he knows the journey that is there and the journey that is involved and the joy that is there to honor another one. And he has a large heart to accept any artist for what it is. He has no kalmasha, ಏನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಲ್ಮಶ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಲಾವಿದರನ್ನು ಕಲಾವಿದರ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕರೆದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. And lastly, our chairman, the support for this festival has been Sri Sunil Kothari and Sri M.V. Subramanya. The morning sessions wouldn't have been successful if both of them were not with me. And both of them were there throughout. It's not easy to sit through the lectures. It's very, very difficult. They were there right from 9:30 till 2 o'clock. And they've done this for me. Thank you so much. It adds so much of value in terms of scholastic achievement for a seminar or a lecture demonstration with your presence. Thank you, Sunilda. Thank you so much. And thank you, S. Subramanya Aure. With these words, I know it's getting late for the program. We have few more thank yous to say. One is, we'll honor your artists this evening. Is that okay, sir? And also the little ones who did the Deepa dance, we would like to honor. I think Shama will do the...
Just before that, Academy of Music wishes to felicitate Dr. Veena Murthy Vijay. On behalf of Academy of Music, I request Dr. K.S. Vaishali, who is the Joint Secretary of Academy of Music and a Hindustani vocalist, to kindly come onto the dais and honor Veena ma'am.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕಲಾಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಂತೆ ಈ 3 ದಿನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವೈಭವದಿಂದ ನಡೆದಂಥ ನೃತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ಕಲಾವಿದೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವೀಣಾ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು. ಅವರ ಅವಿರತ ಶ್ರಮದ ಫಲವೇ ಈ ನೃತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀರೇಶ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನೃತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿದವರೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಮರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನಂತಾನಂತ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ವೈಶಾಲಿ ಅವರೇ. I'd like to call those little children who inaugurated this festival with their beautiful Deepa dance onto the dais to collect a few mementos from our side. Sakshi, Harshavardhini, please come, Claire, please come. I request the guest Sunilji to kindly honor these little ones and give them your blessings. Anvi Kalkunte, Anvita, Dhanvi, Amrita, Shanvita, Deepthi, Hemashri, Prakriti, Bhumika, Sai Saroda, Trupti, Lavanya, Sneha, Sheetal. These girls also have been giving a very good support backstage. Samskriti, once more the names of the girls who've been supporting backstage: Sneha, Sheetal, Neha, Samskriti, Vidya, Khushi, Bhavana, and also some of the mothers who've been such a great support backstage: Padmashri, Srihari, Bhargav, and Sundar. As we all know, we are all looking forward to see the beautiful dance drama Kavya Nayakalu just after this stage function. I'd like to felicitate the artists of this troupe before we see their performance. I'd like to call upon the artists on the dais, please. Srinivas. Can Bangalore give them a loud round of applause? Thank you. Kedarnath. Lohita Chalasani, Akshara Kona, Anjali Penukonda, Sai Sangeeta, Krovi Swati, Krovi Shruti, and Mahi Rasagna. I can hear only one person clapping there. Okay, one more person here. We'd like to thank Srimati Shobha from Chowdeya Auditorium, who has been such a great support. Shobha avare, dayavitu ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Another parent who's been a great support is Rashmi Nair. I request Rashmi Nair to kindly come onto the dais. And now for the people who have been capturing the 3 days events in their beautiful lenses, we have Srivatsa avare. Please ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋನ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Kumar, Mr. Sampath from Shale.com. Video. Mr. Sampath from Chalet.com. Shri Prabhat Srinivas for the technical support. Srinivas ಅವರೇ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Thank you so much. Please do sit in the audience and enjoy the dance drama.
Most importantly, Shama Krishna, who has done the Masters of Ceremony today. All the best, Shama. We need to see you come and dance here on this dais soon. Okay, we'll begin the ballet soon. Please stay back and enjoy the Kuchipudi fair that is going to be this evening's highlight.